Hello, virtual assistants. Do you feel lost in finding the right clients on LinkedIn? Do you struggle to send message connection requests to potential clients on LinkedIn? In my video today, I'll be showing you step by step how to search for potential clients on LinkedIn, how to send them connection requests, and how to follow up with a DM messages right in this video. Whether you are just starting as a virtual assistant or you are an experienced virtual assistant, LinkedIn is one of the best platforms you can leverage on to get high-paying clients. And I'm going to show you how to use features such as search bar, streaming the location, streaming different people you want to work with as in your target audience right in this video. First, let's begin. Let me share my screen. And foremost, a good um, headline is needed on LinkedIn, and that's where I'm going to start from today. Now take a look at my LinkedIn profile. I have a professional headshot, and also I have a banner behind that clearly states what I do. And when you look at the first line on my LinkedIn profile as well, you see that it clearly states what I do and the people I work for. Sales Manager Queen. I help founders plus business owners streamline operation, optimize tools, and build thriving communities. So that is the people that I work with. Now, you have to make sure that your profile stands out. This will be discussed in another video entirely. But for now, let's go to our search bar. Now, I want to search for potential clients who I can work with here. And the first thing I'm going to do is to type their job description, or let me say their title. So let's say I want to search for business owners. I click on business owners. Then I click on search. It brings me the results. These are the results. But now, who are the people I'm searching for? I'm searching for people, not posts, not job, not group, not companies. People. Then you click on people. Now, these are people in my network, but I want to filter it again. I want location filter. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on location, and I'm going to filter it to the location that I want. Now, I filtered it at United States. Then let's see the result. This is going to bring down all the business owners in the United States. You can see I'm not yet connected to these people. You can see, yes, this is the first step. Now, I will now go further and look at their profile. Let me see how active they are. This person is from United States. I have never connected with her before. And look at it. She hasn't posted anything. That means she's not going to be my target audience. She's not active on LinkedIn. Yes, I'm going to go back. I want business owners that are active. At least they post something about what they do. And, you know, you can see activity. This person is not active too. So I'm not going to target her. Yes, business owners are very busy and it's difficult. When you are searching, you have to be patient. It takes a lot of time and effort. Now I'm looking for this person. Well, let me check as well. This person is not active, so she has been active for the past 1 month. But I'm looking for someone that is very active on LinkedIn. So let me keep on searching further, and I found another person. Yes, let me scroll down a little bit to see. Oh, this person is active. She has posted 14 hours ago. That means she's very, very active. The first thing is for me to follow, and the next thing is for me to copy a profile link and add it to my list, my spreadsheet. I have a spreadsheet for this. Copy this profile, paste it in the spreadsheet. Then I think the next thing for me is to quickly drop a comment on her post. She posted 10 hours ago. Drop a comment, real comment about what I like about what she posted about. Then the next thing is to connect with her. Then go back again, connect with her on LinkedIn. Now click on more. Once you click on more, you're going to see connect. Now this place, don't ever send a connection without notes to a potential client. Yes, there is a reason for that. It builds trust, it builds credibility, and it builds connection. So add a note to it. Now let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to make life easier for you here.
In your ChatGPT, you are going to type, create a concise connection request for me based on this headline. I want to send this to this headline as a workflow manager that makes life easy for busy professional. Here is our profile. So you copy the profile and paste it, and here is the response you get from ChatGPT. Hi, I admire your focus on eco luxury and meaningful experience. As a workflow manager, I help busy professionals like you simplify operations and focus on what you love. I'd love to contact and stay in touch. This is simple and straightforward. Then you copy and paste it here. Remember, you may need to reduce some aspects of this because this has exceeded the character number. So let's keep on streaming this. I never, as a workflow manager, I'd love to connect. I, I can reduce this. I help busy professionals free up time so that I help busy professionals free up time. I'd love to stay in touch. Now we have streamed it down. Then you click on send. You've actually make a connection with this person, then wait for her to accept the connection request. Now there's something you need to take note while waiting. Number one, while waiting, you have to keep on engaging on their post so that they can see that, oh, this person, who is this person making many comments on my post? They'll be moved to go and check your.
So this is where we are going to stop today in our video. If you have watched this video to this level, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Now before you go, I've got something for you. To make life easier for you when it comes to networking on LinkedIn, I've come up with a DM script and template that you can actually use and send messages to clients on LinkedIn. It is 100% free, and the download link is right here in the caption below. Just click on this link and download the free resources, and I promise to always give more value. You're welcome to join my Facebook community. It is also free, and see you in my next video. Bye.